It is very tempting to turn to AI to generate content. But the problem with AI-powered content is inaccuracy, because you don't get any sources. And when you do, those sources are sometimes outdated. Hey, I'm Alicia, bringing you the latest trends in social media. An AI you can trust, wink emoji. In this video, I'll share 2 AI-powered content generation tools that will help ensure your content has maximum accuracy. First up, you.com. This AI-powered search engine makes research easy and trustworthy. Just enter a topic, and you.com shows you the queries it's researching, complete with sources before generating the content. Now, you can cross-check and confidently cite the sources when publishing. Next, LongShot AI and their FactGPT. Enter a topic, and it generates content with citations. It also gives you links to reading material for better content quality. Already have your content and just need to fact-check? No problem. LongShot AI can fact-check your content backed by online sources. Now, you can ensure publishing accurate content and save hours by quickly cross-checking the information. No more trust issues with AI. If you have a favorite AI tool that helps you generate accurate content, let us know in the comments below. Want to keep up with the latest social media trends? Watch more videos in this series and stay ahead of the curve.